Ikaw man ito.
Naghatol pag mga kung siguro sweldo.
Oo nga.
Inana video na.
Hindi ko na nga kinukulit eh. Kasi alam mo naman na ano. Ando naman yung Yay! Kuya Pedro in the house. Shout out, Boss Jason Binsol.
Ano words?
Ya.
Itong kanta na to, para to sa mga
Anong oras ka nga?
tao na walang mga magulang.
Aray! Gabi?
Balik ang ganit.
Ilang minuto?
When I was young, so much younger than today.
Dan tayo muna sa Ramos. Yeah!
Never needed
Ako muna, okay sa'yo.
nobody.
Dan tayo muna sa Ramos.
Help in any way.
Tapos lahat tayo. Tsaka ano na rin
Now those days are
Alam ba?
gone.
Na mag, ano ka ba? Tsaka
I'm
basta,
not
ano ba,
self-assured.
para alam ni si Raymond nasan ako. Diba? Okay lang yan ba?
Now I find change my mind. Open up the door.
Punta ka sa sako mo?
Help me if you care.
Anak mo?
I'm feeling down.
Anak ko.
Ay, no, inaanak ko.
Kasi yung asawa ko napatala sa ano.
And I don't appreciate
Maga pa naman sa
you.
Pero mga uwi tayo mga uwi.
Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please help me? And now my life has changed. Oh, so many ways.
Wow!
My independence.
Ay, paninood bro.
Since you finally in my head.
Hindi ma...
Paninood bro. Dako, ganun mo ko ana.
Every now and then.
Daghangin mo views.
I feel so insecure. My God, just
Pero,
needed
isa
you
tayo lang tayo.
like we've never done before. Help me again, I'm feeling down. And I don't appreciate you being wrong.
Portado muna tayo sa Ramos ah.
Help me get my feet back
Off the grass. Oh,
Won't you please help me?
help me, baby. Hey.
When I was young, so much younger than
Ay,
today.
paninood ba?
Never needed
Pati di na ka mag-joke ha, mag-vlog din lang ha.
help in any way.
Ani, pati sa lang, nakapos mag-joke. Ha?
Now my life has changed. I'm not so
Oh, doon ko
self-assured,
na ganyan tumbaling.
but I just needed you
Ay, taki, wala yung lock.
like I've never done before.
Oh!
Help me if you can, I'm feeling down.
Balik ka! Apa pinatuyok?
And I don't appreciate you being round. Whoa,
Oh!
help me get
Mahal! Ay, lagi paninood?
please help me.
Ah?
Won't you please, please
Oh, tuyo ka?
help me?
Aha. Cut off. Unsa sweldo? Cut off sweldo.